Okay, so this time we're going to do the scrunch technique. So you kind of just take your hands and you pinch and scrunch until you get the whole t-shirt into a little ball. And then like on the previous one, you get your preferably rubber bands next time. And you So this technique will give us more of an organic, less like spirally look. And this time we're just gonna use one color. So you have to kind of like, you have to make sure you leave some white because the contrast is what's gonna look cute on this one. And then we'll flip it over and do the other side. Okay, so now we're going to wrap this one in plastic wrap like we did with the first one. Okay, so that's nicely wrapped now, so we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, so we've microwaved her for 2 minutes and we've let her cool down for a couple of minutes so she ain't hot anymore, and it's time to unwrap her. See how she looks. How the hell? Okay, so before we untie her, we have to rinse her out with some cold water. Okay, so I'm going to cut off all these strings. Shablam. Oh, she's cute. That's the front. That's the back. It's like a little cat.